Microsoft's $68.7 billion acquisition of Activision Blizzard, the largest gaming company in the world, has been approved by the U.S. regulators. This is a landmark deal that will reshape the gaming industry and have significant implications for other tech giants and media companies. The deal will give Microsoft access to some of the most popular gaming franchises, such as Call of Duty, World of Warcraft, Overwatch, and Candy Crush. It will also boost Microsoft's cloud gaming service, Xbox Game Pass, which has over 25 million subscribers. Microsoft will be able to offer more exclusive titles and content to its users, as well as leverage Activision's expertise in developing and monetizing games. The deal will also create a formidable competitor for other gaming platforms, such as Sony's PlayStation, Nintendo Switch,